coming in too hot. I'm coming in too hot. I'm coming in too hot. Get down like that. Get down like that. Then like that. Slow as pro. Slow as pro. You see me?
Yes.
Woo! And I'm in there. Just like that. Just like that.
Interesting.
Okay, so once I'm in, I cut the key off and I just kind of just, because it doesn't matter, my line's on this side this time, so I'm gonna just, since I'm in the, slip, I'm gonna just do this, push away, push to the other side. Ugh. Let me go off to the front, make sure you keep recording to that. Woo. It's a high tide today. Got this. Hey cameraman, do you mind passing me the back rope? Alright. You see the guns, I told you, you already know what time it is. So once I get in here, start bringing in bike, bike.
Back.
I know I made it look easy, right? I just do this. I wrap it around 3 times and then I stick it in. And there you have it, bitches.